Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikol. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, and thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. It is all appreciated. It supports the channel, and you know we want the family to grow, so join the family, period. So today's video, I will be styling my box braids. So these braids are just below my bottom. They're pretty long, but these styles are inspired by FOLAHONTAS. I saw her video on her 20 styles and I love the message and just the styles itself. So I wanted to try some of them, but I also wanted to see what some of them would look like with a shaved side, because I have a shaved side. So I'm not going to try all 20 styles. I'm just going to try a few. But I decided that I was gonna go with the curly end. That's the realness that I'm going with. If you're interested in seeing me do these styles with a shaved side, then keep on watching. Let's get into the video. The first style I will be doing is a high pony with the swoop bang. Okay, so this is my attempt with the high pony with the swoop. My swoop, not really swooping on like that, but I still think it's cute, you know. The next style that I did was a half up, half down. But with the shaved side, on this side is giving very much illusion ponytail, and on this side it's giving half up, half down, you know. But I tried to swoop on the other side, and overall I think it's cute though. Like, I'm not mad at it. Just to let you all know, I'm just gonna pop up with the styles. I'm gonna tag her video below. I'm gonna put her video in the description so that y'all can go see how she does all of these styles. But it's gonna take me way too long to be trying to record this, show y'all. I'm gonna just put her video in the description, and I'm gonna show y'all the styles and how they look on my hair color, all that, and boom. So I'm in the middle of trying to get this little freaknik together. I'm gonna be back and we gonna see. I really did, y'all, I really did want to do the little freaknik style, but so because this whole side don't got no braids, it causes my ponytails to be thinner if I do half up, half down. Now her braids are thicker than mine, so she used 2 braids and then she was able to barrel roll it and it was able to hold its shape. Because mine are so thin, I would need like 3 or 4, and it's just not gonna come out the same. And I'm sorry, but next style I'm trying is the 2 ponies half up, half down, because I have a cute idea for that. And yeah, I'm gonna be back. Okay, so she did have some curls up there and I just decided to go with this. But I do think that it's really cute. Okay, y'all, I think this is cute. It's cute. I like it. I think it's cute. I didn't use scrunchies. I just used my hair and wrapped it around itself because it's longer. Also, I think that it just gives it more body. But yes, I think it's cute. Especially with the little curls hanging, like, yeah, giving. would honestly say, have to say that this curls on the bottom is giving. It's giving. Like, this is so cute. Like, I keep saying the same thing, but child, this is so cute. It's giving very much classy, very much princess, very much queen. Oh, okay. So the next style I'm going to do is a high bun with a swoop. Now I chose the curl, so I don't know if I can really do the bang like I wanted to, but this gonna have to be the bang. So I'm gonna come back and show y'all, and we gonna see the verdict. Okay, y'all, here is the bun, and it's giving. Honestly, all of these is giving. Like, it's so cute, especially with the curls. Hold on, let me get some curls popping real quick. That one's a little, but it's okay. It's okay. We're just gonna tuck that. Put someone on this side, you know. It's a little bit to the side, but that's cute. Okay, so I'm going to try one more style. Is that folded over ponytail with the, you know, I think I'm gonna try it because I think that is cute. So I'm gonna give it a try, and I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see the verdict, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is my attempt at it. I struggled a little bit, I ain't gonna lie to you, but y'all know what I'm about to say. I think that this is so cute. I think that it's giving. I think all of these styles I would really wear. Like, I'll be honest with you, I don't always style my hair, like my braids, so I just be letting them hang. But these are all things that I would do, trying to do on camera. Blessings to her for doing all of these things, but these is actually quick, easy, simple styles that you can do to be cute and jazz it up. You can do so many different things, and this is giving very much, all of these is giving cute, sophisticated, classy styling, fly girl-esque, whatever. Okay, so that concludes all of my styles. I hope you all enjoyed this, and again, go check out that girl's video because I didn't even do all 20. She did 20 full styles on there. She really put the girls on, honey, period. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all saw some styles that you liked, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Share with your friends. Tell them to get cute with you. I will see y'all on the next one, y'all.